kagabi. Ready na ba yung ating contestant number 13, Miss Juvie Garcia?
Yes. Kumamit. Di naman siya judge. Yung mga lalaki ko pa nakakakita ng magandang buhok. Nagkukumit eh. Parang tawag sila.
Kaya na, single ka? Are you single?
Complicated.
Complicated.
My husband is happy and I'm married, so we're happily married. No, I'm married.
Married ka na, your husband. Mayroon na kayong baby.
Meron po.
Ilang taon ka? If you don't know.
What's the question? What's my age?
Oo.
I consider myself first runner-up na lang po. I'm 41 years old, madam.
Kaya ako tinatanong kasi age doesn't matter talaga ngayon. Age is just a number. Mukha akong bata. Gusto ko pag umidad ako mga 41, ganyan din yung itsura. Nagpo-commenting sa contestant ka, huy! Ito si Rudy Baldwin. Oh, sorry. sorry. You're from
Pasita.
Pasita. Kamukha niyo yung mga beauty queen na from Thailand.
Oh,
No? Sa Miss Universe.
salamat.
Before sumasali ka ng mga mga paluwagan, gano'n, sa school. Pageant, ano ba pageant ka before? Before, no? Bago yung beauty queen. Tignan natin kung nagustuhan ni Ma'am Christine ang iyong performance.
Hello, good evening, Julie. Good evening po. Tatanong ko siya lang ilang taong ka na, kaya natanong na niya. Huwag tayo paulit-ulit.
Tama ka na. Dahil hindi naman Juliet ang pangalan mo, ang Christine.
Oo nga.
Juliet, gano'n.
So, you have a great performance tonight. Congratulations naman. Although, wala ka naman comment kasi I think this is not your first time, no? To compete. Parang nagpo-compete ka na talaga before. Yung confidence is there, relax kang kumanta, you understand, you're able to connect with us, facial expression, eye contact, you have it all. It's just that you have to be careful lang when you go sa high, tapos kailangan permanente. Okay? So whenever you got the chance na alam mo nagkakamali ka dito, what you got to do is, kung i-repeat mo lang hanggang maging permanente. Because I believe that when you practice, it makes your skill more permanent. Kasi perfect is not, diba? Parang yung being perfect is not good at all. At least, mas maging permanent lang. Kasi medyo mas may narinig akong mga flats. Okay, lalo pag nasa taas ka, abot mo yung notes, but then pag bumaba ka na, medyo nag-struggle ang confident. Pero everything is okay. Congratulations. I hope nakakapasok ka.
Thank you, Julie. Yan. Ma'am Christine, huwag mo lang ulitin yung flags. Na-open ka po.
Hindi ka naman nag-iisa.
Ang pare-parehas ba tayo? So, sana pinata natin breastless, di ba? And of course. Thank you, Julie. Napakaganda mo. Let's move on to our contestant number